Okay, so you guys have a Android device, a smartphone or tablet, and you forgot your passcode on here, or it could be a number passcode, pretty much whatever it is. The only way at this time to get into this is basically you're going to do a hard reset, and that's basically going to erase all of your data. So it'll actually bring your phone back up to it as like you just opening, it's a brand new phone out of the box. Now the thing is, like, there used to be a way you can crack this. You had to push like the emergency. I mean, it was on certain Android phones, but you can click the emergency button or the emergency call and do a couple things here and then push the power button. But the thing is, the good thing is Android updated all its software, so you're not able to do that, and that's actually a good thing because you know, if your phone ever gets lost or stolen, no one's going to be able to retrieve your data. And even if there is a way now to crack into this without losing anything, it shouldn't be posted for, you know, privacy reasons, for thieves and whatnot getting your data. So anyways, again, you forgot your passcode, your number code or whatever, and you want to get in, you got to do a hard reset. Pretty much all the phones are similar. Depending on what phone you want to you have, it might be a different way to do it. Like for instance, I'm using the S3. It's a 3-button. You have to hold down 3 buttons. For example, the phones you might have to hold down only 2 buttons, like the volume up and down at the same time and the power. With the Galaxy S3, what you do is you have to hold the power up, or the volume up, the power, and the home button. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a hard reset on this phone. And first thing you got to do is you have to reboot this computer, or reboot this phone. Actually, what you want to do is you want to power it off completely. Let it shut down, and I will continue once my phone is booted back, or once my phone is completely off. Okay, so my phone is completely off now, and now what you want to do, like I said, this is the Galaxy S3. Different phones will have different combinations. For the Galaxy S3 or a lot of the Galaxy S's, what you want to do is you want to hold up the volume button, the up volume button, hold down the home button, and hold down this power button. So you want to hold it down, and I'm holding it down, and you want to wait until you see this little blue text that was up there, or some of you, depending on what phone you have, you may have a little Android guy. As soon as you see that, you can let everything go and just wait. And now from here, you guys can see this here, and to navigate on here, you would push the volume key, the up or down. So for instance, on here, what we want to go to is we want to go to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. And in order to select that, we have to push the power button. Push the power button. And then from here, what we want to do is we want to go all the way down, delete all user data. So remember guys, once you do this, it's going to delete everything on your phone, pictures, files, apps, whatever you have on there, it's going to delete it. And this is going to pretty much make your phone like brand new, as if you just took it out of the box. So I'm going to select this, I'm going to push the power button. Now I'm going to wait for it to go through this little process here. Now it says wiping data, formatting data. Okay, great. Now it says on the bottom here, it says data wipe complete. And then what we want to do is we want to restart or reboot our cell phone now. It says reboot system now. It's already on there. And what I do is I just push the power button again and let this boot back up. And from here, like I said, it should be pretty much like a brand new phone. All the data is wiped off. There's nothing on here, as if it's just a brand new phone out of the box. And then of course from here you have to go through your like introductory phase and just do like a couple steps on here, and that's pretty much it. So this way you'll be able to, this is the only way as of right now to bypass your code. And like I said, if there is another way to get bypass that passcode without losing your data, it shouldn't be noted anywhere on the internet. So if you guys need any help or anything, just comment in the bottom and I'll get back to you when I can. Thanks. Bye.